I'm gonna put the wheels back on it as I double checked the nuts and bolts on the rear end. Gonna put the wheels back on it. I got another bottle in here because we are gonna go through the gears with the pod. So basically we're gonna go through these gears. I also lowered the two-step in the MSD to 3500 because I want to test the trans brake here at home before we go to the track and try and do it up on at the starting line. And the computer fell, and so much for having a new computer.
You got it going on.
Well, gonna get the car on the ground and scale it so we could. However, technically, it'd probably be a better idea just to scale it in here with the jacks being the way they are.
Well, we need to finish the front too.
Oh, that is true. Yeah. Either way.
What is that noise?
What? Oh, is that noise?
I hear extra noise.
I don't. Oh, that's
What the hell are you doing?
Not getting anywhere.
Well, this is one of the cab corners off the toter. I decided to take the wrap off of it. When we took the wrap off the truck on the cab, this piece had been replaced but never painted. Which is okay because I paint cars for a living. Anyway, if you've ever taken the wrap off of the car, you think you have all the glue off of it, you're not even close. Anyway, I'm going to paint this, show you some of the process, and then I did guess at the paint code. I said 8624, very popular white on all GMs for years. Couldn't find the code for it. Yes, I know it's on a sticker in the truck somewhere. Anyway, hopefully, I guessed right. Well, now it's all white. Now we just gotta put the clear coat on it. Well, we got it cleared. The shiny stuff is on it. Not too bad for a white guy. Like I said, hopefully it matches, but honestly, it looks like the color of the truck. I think we got the color. Still gotta finish taking the wrap off on that door. That's okay. I'm happy about the color. Yay. Here's what the other side looks like. Well, I think we're good on the color. Oh yeah. Minty. I can't wait to get all that off. Get it all white, polish up all the chrome.
some U.S. Street Nationals prep. We got the car down. We are scaling it. We just put the front end on it, the door on it. Got the rear glass in, the deck lid. Go get all my safety equipment and
Better get a double cheeseburger when I go in
and a
there.
double cheeseburger because apparently this Lenko didn't add.
22.53 without you in it.
Well, we thought this Lenko was going to add a decent amount of weight. It did not. That's what it weighs right now as it sits. I mean, I think it does need a full tank of gas, although I don't think that's not gonna cover.
22.56.
So we are 22, 54, 53 with me in it. Here, go ahead and video it with me in it real quick. So go over there. I'm gonna step on the curb. So that's probably what, 23.75?
24.19.
24.19. So we got to weigh 2,600 pounds.
You need 180 pounds. All right, well, let's try this again.
Well, we are at, what are we at? 26.
Let's see.
07, you said?
Well, you moving. We're at 26.03.
2603, we got to weigh 2,600.
Yeah.
I
And
weigh,
the fuel tank is empty.
fuel tank's empty, bottle's empty.
There's probably 7 or 8 pounds of grace.
Yeah. And I weigh 164. Be nice to gain, you know,
It'd be nice to get to 170.
at least 6 pounds.
You're gonna have to eat a bunch of double cheeseburgers.
Bunch of go to Golden Corral tonight and then have like 7 protein shakes.
There you go.
But yep.